Here we go. We go squat and clean. Stick with me. We're almost there, you guys. Hit that 90-degree angle in your legs every time you're breathing. Chest is up. Pelvis is pulled under you. Patrick, let me see it. Beautiful. Every time he squats, watch this, 90 degrees, knees behind the toe. He does the exact same thing in that lunge. His abs are in. His chest is up. His pelvis is shooting down and back. Perfect eye line. You see that, Patrick? That's gorgeous. Keep it going, you guys. Keep breathing. You got this. We're together on this. Let's go. Nice, Kane. You got it. I love it. Keep breathing. Yes. Gorgeous every time. Sam, how you doing? Legs are burning. They're supposed to burn. You're almost there. Push through. We got this. Let's go. Good. Even if you need to keep that modification where you're stepping like Sheree, you do it. Just finish it. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Set it down. Yes.
Seriously, that's about as good as it's gonna get right now.
Shake it all out.
Whew.
Come on, you guys.